The PowerPulse Flex delivers a custom shower experience, no matter the challenge. The adjustable 18-inch flex arm can raise or lower the shower head to the perfect height and angle. It's great for adjusting height when shower pipes are installed too low or too high, or for customizing shower height for different users, including young children. Enjoy 7 distinct sprays, including PowerPulse Massage, clinically shown to help soothe muscle tension, increase flexibility, and promote restful sleep. The PowerPulse Flex. Easily customize your shower experience. At Waterpik, we make lives better by turning water into wellness.
Water is not simply a resource. Water is the basis of life and a source of joy. Every precious drop should be handled with care. Yet, as the world's population continues to rise, urbanization, water consumption, and a changing environment continue to generate challenges. As industry leader, Grohe is ready to rise against these challenges. We are passionate about quality, technology, design, and sustainability. Our intelligent solutions will enhance water enjoyment and push the boundaries of innovation. Join us in our mission to shape the future of water.